In this video, we will learn how IPv6 addresses optimize network communication by eliminating unnecessary traffic and improving speed.
Imagine your network is like a busy city where everyone shouts announcements to everyone else. This is similar to how IPv4 broadcasts work, creating unnecessary noise and slowing things down.
IPv6 addresses the limitations of IPv4 by providing a vastly larger address space using 128-bit addresses, which enables efficient and scalable internet communication. By adopting IPv6, we can experience faster loading times, more reliable connections, and reduced network congestion, leading to a better overall internet experience for everyone.
An IPv6 address is written in hexadecimal and divided into 8 16-bit blocks separated by colons, which improves readability and structure, making it easier to manage and troubleshoot network configurations.
Consecutive blocks of zeros can be compressed using a double colon, CH, further shortening IPv6 addresses and improving their usability and simplifying complex network configurations. Prefix length notation like /64 defines the network portion in IPv6, replacing subnet masks and offering more flexible network addressing. Unicast addresses in IPv6 facilitate one-to-one communication between devices, ensuring that data is delivered directly to a specific destination and reducing unnecessary traffic.
Multicast addresses enable one-to-many communication, allowing a single device to send data to a group of interested recipients, improving efficiency for applications like video streaming and online gaming.
Anycast addresses facilitate one-to-nearest communication, directing traffic to the closest server in a group of servers providing the same service, enhancing performance and reliability. IPv6 supports Unicast, Multicast, and Anycast address types, each serving different communication purposes, effectively eliminating broadcast traffic and significantly improving network efficiency and performance. IPv6 address types like Anycast and Multicast improve network efficiency and speed, enhancing real-world applications like streaming and content delivery. By understanding IPv6 addressing and its various types, you now have the knowledge to build more efficient and scalable networks, contributing to a faster and more reliable internet experience for all users. So go forth and optimize. Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.